this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Unboxing Time with the Ramen Raider. This is the show where I show you what comes in the mail, and today I've got something from Japan. We've got an Umai crate. You can go and check out the link in the description or the link on the post, and then use the coupon code within to get yourself a discount. So let's crack this open and see what's inside. Okay, when you crack open the box, the first thing you'll see is this pamphlet, full of information and tips on how to prepare everything within. So if you don't know how to read Japanese or understand how to prepare these things, you shouldn't lose this, so keep it close. You also get a recipe card. All right, let's check everything out. First off, from Kenko Foods, we've got a sesame ramen. Yeah, this is pretty good stuff, very standard instant noodle, not hard to prepare, and has a nice sesame flavor. And then here's one by Kishimen. This is a basically udon that's a little flat and broad. Doesn't have any broth. It has a sauce that goes with it. And yeah, I was surprised. I like this one a lot. And I think this is from Igarashi Saimen. This is a Tokyo soy sauce ramen, and the noodle is non-fried, and it has a nice liquid soup base, and it's good stuff. I've always been really impressed with this line. And this is from a company called Yamato Saifun. This is, well, they're calling this deep fried tofu udon. It's okay. Some of the varieties that this company makes are really good, like their Tanuki's grandfather or Tanuki's father tonkatsu, the spicy one especially. This one, not my favorite. And these are really good. This is by Itomen. This is a seafood and vegetable miso dashi ramen. These are very standard, easy to prepare, but the broth is really quite nice, classic, good stuff. And going with their odd little thing lately, they've included some oatmeal, and this is ripe tomato oatmeal. I don't know. I'm curious. I might make this later. I don't know. I'm the way I like oatmeal and the way Asian folks seem to like oatmeal is completely different. They seem to like it soupy and they like it really salty. And I found that out when I was in Taiwan. There was a booth at a food show, and that's how they like it. So, yeah. Looks like this one's got a repackaging. This is from Itsuki, and this is their spicy Kumamoto tonkatsu. This is really good. This is definitely the showstopper of the box here, folks. I love this stuff. Nice straight noodle, nice little bit of heat to it. Really savory, tasty stuff. And then we've got one from Knorr, or Knorr, however you want to say it. This is a clam chowder and pasta cup. Yeah, they put a lot of interesting things with pasta. Another thing that I've seen quite a bit is macaroni with, say, sesame flavor or chicken broth. And finally, their bonus item this month is clam broth ochazuki. Ochazuki can be enjoyed by topping your rice bowl with these crispy flakes and adding hot water. Delicious. Ochazuki has the scent of yuzu packed with the flavor of 3 types of shellfish. So in this, I believe the January 2023 Umai crate, you get Ochazuki, spicy tonkatsu, seafood miso, tofu udon, shoyu, kishimen, sesame ramen, clam pasta, tomato oatmeal, a recipe card, and your informational pamphlet. All right, well, thank you very much to the folks over at Umai Crate for sending another one of these over. They've been sending them every month for quite a few years, and it's always fun to see what kind of changes and different things they put in. Anyways, yeah, check out the link in the description or in the post, and yeah, enjoy. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye.